Today we're taking a look at how labor units are applied within Electric Ease and how they apply to your bid. Today we're looking at an assembly, which is a collection of material that make one unit. This example is a tamper-proof duplex receptacle wired in MC cable. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quantity of 100 so you can see the math take place here. We have 95.4 hours to install 100 of these tamper-proof MC cable receptacles. Now this shows the total here for the phase. So if I were to add more assemblies to this phase, the total labor adds up here in the phase, giving you a snapshot of how many hours you have in that phase. That we're showing the labor hours here, and those carry through on down to your labor takeoff, where the hours are split again between our crew, and they show here. Labor units dial in accuracy and speed up the estimating process so you don't have to guess anymore. And that's a quick look at how we apply those within Electric Ease.